This exploration of a parallel universe invites you to imagine a reality where every unfulfilled desire and every unchosen path exists as a tangible experience. In this alternate reality, 1. A world without regret. In this parallel existence, all the choices you never made are lived out without the sense of regret. Every path you didn't take, every decision that felt risky, is realized without any fear of failure. Mistakes don't linger, and everything aligns naturally without the need for second chances. 2. Unconditional and unfailing love. In this imagined universe, love is simple, steady, and unconditional. It doesn't leave you questioning your worth, and the idea of loss doesn't exist. Relationships remain intact, and separations, whether by death or distance, are illusions. There's a constant, comforting sense of wholeness where love is something you never have to fight for. 3. Life of ease, not struggle. The obstacles we face here don't exist in this alternate world. Success is easily attainable, and dreams don't require relentless effort. There is no grind, no struggle. Instead, there's a flow, a natural unfolding of events that aligns effortlessly with your desires. Opportunities are abundant, and life is not about climbing uphill, but about moving with the current. 4. Social freedom and true equality. Social constraints that weigh us down, judgments, expectations, and inequalities have no place in this alternate reality. Worth is inherent, and you are valued simply for existing. There is no discrimination, and everyone lives with a sense of equality and fairness. In this world, your identity is not tied to external achievements, but to an innate sense of self-worth. 5. Clarity and purpose. Without questioning, the existential questions we grapple with, our purpose, our reason for being, don't plague the inhabitants of this universe. There's a sense of clarity and purpose that is woven into everyday life. You don't feel lost or uncertain because you are anchored in an understanding of your place in the cosmos. The quest for meaning, which can be endless here, feels resolved there. 6. A perfect world, yet a dilemma. The concept of this parallel universe brings a challenge. If such a world exists where everything is perfect, what does that mean for our current life, which is filled with struggle, heartache, and imperfection? Could it be that the hardships we endure here have a deeper purpose? Perhaps we are meant to strive and face challenges because they push us toward growth. 7. Finding meaning in imperfection. This leads to a profound question. Is the act of striving, of struggling for what we want, the very thing that gives life meaning? In a world where everything is easily attained, growth might be stunted. Challenges, losses, and imperfections are what shape us, and perhaps we are meant to find beauty in the journey, not just in the destination. The parallel universe, then, serves as a reminder of what we could become if we accept our struggles with courage. Final reflection. The notion of a parallel universe tempts us to wish for a perfect existence, yet it also asks us to see the value in our imperfect reality. Here, love is cherished because it is fought for, dreams are pursued with effort, and meaning is found through challenges. Maybe what we truly need isn't in a far-off reality, but is already present here, waiting to be appreciated and embraced. In the end, the question shifts from what if everything we wanted exists in a parallel universe, to what if everything we need is already here. It's an invitation to recognize the hidden beauty in our everyday struggles and to embrace the life we are living with gratitude.